I don't know if we showed you this. I've stripped it all down. This is the other fender for the Imperial. I'm getting ready to acid treat it and clean all the metal, and then I'm going to English wheel it and work some of the dents. And you can see where right here's a big round dent, big round dent, big round dent, big round dent. When we stripped this, it looked like there was a hostile wife or something at one time beat the crap out of the car with a bat or a hammer. I mean, it's good. So anyway, I'll show it to you after I treat it. I'm going to acid, and it'll remove all this rust and eat all that out before I do a bunch of stuff to it, and then I'll glass bead some fine areas and stuff like that. So, all right. I just wanted to show you, what the metal looks like when it's really been cleaned and really gone over. And you get an idea how thoroughly the metal gets cleaned out. And it's all different kinds of coatings, and it just cleans the metal down so you don't have any rust in any of the pits or anything. You can see deep into the pits if you get up close. It's just clean as can be. Just wanted to let y'all see it.
So what you doing?
This is an all metal, and I'm actually just taking out a little bit of where some of the weld was at, the actual metal. In through the holes. Sit there real quick and pull my tacks down so that I don't apply too much. That's all in place now.
Like a party. You recording?
Don't imitate Harlan, he's not right.
I ain't right.
I'm not imitating.
Okay, you're gonna stand where I'm standing. You're gonna occupy this space.
Alright.
Here, get over here.
What happens if the tools are shiny?
I ain't doing that. Okay, now keep it from falling.
Fallen.
It's your whole job, George.
Okay. Yeah.
My job is to make this fit in there. So I need to go one more step on all of those.
George!
Yes.
Oh, never mind, you're helping him.
I can't do 3 things at once.
How did we inherit 2 more bikes? We got 3 in here now. How did we inherit 2 more?
We were in the trailer.
Two good movies to shows, one's 1901.
Oh, that's right.
The other girls like 1901.
Those green
Yeah,
tires?
they both go back.
Really?
It's hers, but
You think it's a ghost?
we'll get my girls.
You holding it steady?
No.
No,
I think
no,
they're
no,
like the
no.
girls now.
I want your hands clamping it. You are the clamp. You're gonna put. You're making sure it does not spin around and cut me in half. You ever been cut in half? It's not a fun time.
What do you mean? You've been cut in half before?
A man. I had a real bad case of getting cut in half when I was a boy.
90, I was like 110.
They were unable to attach the bottom half of my body to the top side of the body.
They're all different. Everyone's different.
Jesus freaking.
That quick, that's 110, dude.
You broke it.
Clicking, look, man, I'm on 112.
You broke it.
See?
110.
I said 70 to 80.
First one was 90. Well, I see, I started at 70 pounds, keep clicking and going off.
We can say on the small block Ford, on the Ford, I was thinking it was right around the 70. I knew it wasn't anything 90 pounds that I ever recall, right? That's super right there.
Move with me.
No.
I am.
Yeah, spin over here.
Started at 60 on target. Click, click.
Over here.
Pretty big.
Okay.
Could have been why it's stuck
They'd end up
They had that leaking gaskets that.
Yeah.
Did you hear about the lady that backed into the airplane from
Can't
Philly?
get
This
I did not hear about that.
Did you get my joke?
That's fucking Jesus
That's
Christ.
fine.
I didn't think it was.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's cut that off so you can glue. What do you think? Because we gotta get these two. Yeah, but it ain't
You
gonna.
gotta come over here.
Need the second one, but I doubt we can get the third one.
Yeah,
But
hold it
you
right there.
This side you can.
Why are you
the other
afraid to
side you
reposition?
can't, because the fucking
I don't
steering.
know.
Right?
That's the steering box.
This is a pointless recording. I'm still recording.
Yep.
So many goddamn
Never
ones.
is.
Only got one line.
Yeah, I know that Tanner found it
That was
for his, because he's over there.
I got a fucking 10 fire in here, man, because I leave them everywhere. Sometimes I got 2 or 3 on my head. I don't like glasses. I hate them.
I know those used to be over there, is why I know.